We have implanted CardioMEMS sensors 10 years ago when FDA approved this device to monitor heart failure patients. And we also started to implant CardioMEMS sensors earlier when we participated in the original Champion Heart Failure clinical trial in 2008. And that's how our CardioMEMS journey started. Since that time, we implanted many patients with this device. I would like to emphasize that congestion is the primary cause of heart failure hospitalizations and emphasize the importance of pulmonary artery pressure monitoring in outpatient setting to reduce heart failure admission rate. We found that this device is very beneficial in our clinic heart failure patients, decreasing not only heart failure admission, but also improving their quality of life by improving heart failure functional status. How we do that? Using CardioMEMS sensor hemodynamic data, we titrate heart failure medications like diuretics or certain vasodilators to adjust the medications which help to reduce heart failure hospitalizations as compared to standard of care heart failure management. We found since Champion Heart Failure clinical trial, we have had several other clinical trials and meta-analyses demonstrating similar benefit of this device, not only lowering heart failure admissions, but also reducing mortality in heart failure patients. Our heart failure patients seem to understand the importance of this wireless monitoring system, and it's easy to use. With increasing aging of US population, the rate of heart failure admissions and associated economic burden to it will continue to rise in the future. Since heart failure is a major problem in the US, a technology to monitor heart failure patients is needed and may help to reduce healthcare costs incurred from heart failure hospitalizations. To make a successful CardioMEMS program, we created CardioMEMS team at Midwest Cardiovascular Institute consisting of heart failure nurses and coordinators and heart failure doctor. We meet on a regular basis, going over heart failure patients, selecting them for CardioMEMS sensor implantation based on certain criteria. We also go over difficult pulmonary artery pressure tracing and troubleshooting. We have advanced heart failure nurses and office nurses. They follow pulmonary artery pressure online, so we are able to act early and most of the time to avoid readmission. Implanting CardioMEMS sensor in heart failure patients difficult to manage with diuretics and at risk of heart failure admission became an integral component of patients management in our practice at Midwest Cardiovascular Institute. CardioMEMS sensor means a lot to me personally, since it truly reduced heart failure admission rate as compared to other available devices, which is good for the patient, good for hospital, and good for Medicare. You can find patients non-compliant with medication, but it's difficult to find a patient non-compliant with checking CardioMEMS at home, because our patients learned that this device keeps them away from hospital. Myself, I witnessed a significant reduction in heart failure readmission rate in our heart failure patients implanted with CardioMEMS sensor device at Edward Heart Hospital over the last decade.